Fortnite fans, brace yourselves. The Battle Royale giant is offline worldwide on iOS, and Apple's at the center of the storm. Stick around to find out why Fortnite's been blocked, what Epic Games is saying, and what this means for you. This is GadInsider, your go-to for gaming news. Let's dive in. Here's the deal. Apple has blocked Fortnite's submission to the App Store, meaning no Fortnite on iOS devices in the US or Epic Games Store in the EU. Epic dropped this bombshell on social media saying Fortnite on iOS is offline worldwide until Apple unblocks it. Let's rewind. Back in August 2020, Apple kicked Fortnite off the App Store after Epic Games filed an antitrust lawsuit. Epic argued Apple's 30% cut on in-app purchases and ban on outside payment methods screamed monopoly. Fast forward to April 2025, a court ruled Apple was in the wrong, violating a 2021 injunction against anti-competitive practices. Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers didn't hold back, saying Apple's attempts to stifle competition will not be tolerated. Fortnite was set to make a triumphant return to the App Store, or so we thought. Here's where things get spicy. Epic Games says Apple didn't approve their latest Fortnite submission in time. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney took to X on May 15, posting, "Apple has neither accepted nor rejected our submission. The Friday update to Fortnite is now in jeopardy." Meanwhile, Apple's fighting back, telling Variety, "We strongly disagree with the court's decision, but will comply while we appeal." Sounds like a standoff, and iOS players are caught in the crossfire. So what does this mean for you? If you're an iOS Fortnite player, you're out of luck for now. No battle bus, no victory royales. This isn't just a delay, it's a global shutdown on iOS until Apple and Epic sort this out. And with Apple appealing the court's ruling, this could drag on. Epic's pushing hard, but Apple's not budging. Could this be the final straw for Fortnite on iOS, or will Epic pull through? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And before you go, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for the latest gaming updates from GadInsider.